Hello folks. Once again, the time has come for a big update of new additions. We are constantly expanding our collection, but we are also giving some models away. On the one hand among fellow collectors, but also in our web shop, where we offer numerous models from various manufacturers. I don't want to beat about the bush, but we'll start straight away with our first new addition. It is the newest member of the Hot Wheels Red Line Club series, the 1971 BRE Datsun 510. Hot Wheels has already released an extremely large number of 510 models, many of which have risen enormously in price. Some people try to collect them all, but we stick to the ones we like best. Like this 510 Datsun, which comes with a black matte design but also has Zamek silver paint, especially with the red roll bar and the absolute highlight. The bonnet can be opened and shows us an extremely detailed engine design by Hot Wheels standards. This model is even more of a must if, like us, you also own the 240Z, which was also offered for sale by Hot Wheels in 2023, because it also has this shadow chrome spectraflame paint scheme. With the two together, we now have the Datsun Nissan family complete. Without a doubt, an absolute cream of the crop from Hot Wheels, a well-deserved new addition to our collection. Our next new addition is actually 2 or even 3 new arrivals that we have to include in the video. We're talking about the legendary Porsche 917, which we have the honor of including in our collection in 3 different variants. Long story short, the Porsche 917 was one of the most spectacular racing cars in 1971. There were a total of 4 model variants, 3 of which we have represented here. One is the 917 short tail version from 1970 in a collaboration with Spark and Coca-Cola. Then we have the winner of the 24 Hours of Lemons, the Martini Porsche from 1971 as a short tail with side fins, and probably the most photographed car in 1971, the Porsche 917 Type 20 known as the Pink Pig. I am not familiar with either the Martini or the Pink Pig as a manufacturer, but they absolutely have to be in the collection with our other Porsche 917 models. As you can see, we have practically all the color variants here, from Salzburg to Gulf Oil. Also the 4th version of the 917, namely the Longtail. By the way, most of the models are from Hot Wheels, Sparky or Chinese no-name companies. We particularly enjoy the Pink Pig, which is an extremely rare model and is now expensive on the market. Our 3rd new addition comes directly from the manufacturer itself, CM model. And this model has it all, a McLaren Senna GTR with a Lanzante conversion and a fantastic spec in our opinion. CM model's carbon parts look so good, especially in combination with this purple pearl paint that changes under the light. One of the most brutal models from the manufacturer, in our opinion. Hardly anyone else can hold a candle to them, be it Tarmac Works, MiniGT, or other manufacturers when it comes to the McLaren Senna GTR. Since we already had it from MiniGT, our 4th new addition is this beautiful BMW M4 CSL in Alpine White from MiniGT. Admittedly, we have already praised CM model in the highest terms when it comes to McLaren, but MiniGT is right up there with many other brands. As usual, the MiniGT models come with rubber wheels that turn on their own. In addition, rubber mirrors that don't break off, or the fact that the model looks extremely high quality, especially for its price of just $14. MiniGT is already very familiar with BMW and has released so many BMW models in the past, whether road versions or racing cars. You can't go wrong with models like this CSL, a well-deserved new addition to our collection. As you can see, things continue apace with the next new addition, which also means a departure, as we not only have this model for our collection, but also sell it in the shop. Link is always in the bio. We're talking about this legendary car, a Toyota Supra Mark IV, based on the Super GT cars from the Japanese racing series from the 90s. On this Supra, we have installed the Rox body kit and the tribute livery from Team Sard from the Super GT series all round. The wheel choice is also nicely done. In addition, all models are individually numbered and limited to just 999 units. We have a really great design here, our new arrival in October. Our next new arrival has it all, because it is completely covered in gold and has a fat carbon spoiler on the rear. At first glance, you might think it's just a hybrid Porsche, but Xcarto has released this Porsche 992 Stinger GTR together with Pop Race. The first release was completely in carbon fiber. Here we have a complete package completely in chrome gold. Practically the entire chassis plus rims are in gold. The rear has been given a fat spoiler and rounds off this special piece. Pop Race models roll, have great quality, and are absolutely awesome in terms of price. You'll be hearing more from this brand on our channel in the future. Stay tuned. Our next new addition is the one we were most looking forward to. It's the first time we've been able to add a Ferrari 296 GTB model to our collection. Before anyone asks, yes, there are finally some great licensed Ferraris on the market again. Hot Wheels produced the last Ferrari model in 2013 with the LaFerrari before the license went to Burgo and Maisto. The models were okay, but simply no more than that. There are numerous Asian companies that produce Ferrari models, but without a license. Then Tarmac Works came around the corner in 2021 with lots of great licensed Ferrari F40 models. But we waited in vain for street versions. With BBR, that has changed because BBR is allowed to sell Ferrari under the license of Burgo and Maisto. At least that's what the packaging says. And what a beauty. Previously, we already had the Alfa Romeo Giulia GT-A or the Maserati MC20 and MC12 from BBR, but now we finally have a Ferrari. In the signature look in yellow and red, plus the additional parts in carbon look, detailed interior and wheels that roll. What more could you want? A fantastic new addition. Our latest new addition is probably also a farewell, as this and other examples are destined for sale in our shop. Flown in directly from Liberty Walk, Time Micro shows us a very special model, fully licensed and equipped with matching elegant packaging. Because when a cleaning cloth is included, it's always something really special. We have the legendary Nissan Silvia S15 with super silhouette drift work body kit from Liberty Walk in purple chrome. Limited to just 999 units and individually numbered, this magnificent piece cuts a particularly fine figure. You have to be particularly careful when touching it, as any touch would leave fingerprints everywhere. With a little skill, the bonnet can be opened to reveal some great engine compartment details. The super silhouette is actually known from other manufacturers in the typical white and yellow paintwork, but yellow and chrome purple also look really good on it. A fantastic new arrival in October. What do you think? Which model did you like best? Please let us know. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and fellow collectors. Thanks for your support and see you next time. Cheers.